Hello guys, it is day 3. It's chest and back. Now, I might be a little crazy for wanting to go to because this is the weather we're having. Yeah. But you know what they say, no pain, no gain. There's no way I'm gonna get gains if I don't go. So, today we're going back to my regular pre-workout. It is called Stim Lord Numero Dos. Jungle juice flavor. I like it because it got this guy on it. Yeah. Really, the main reason I like it is because there's as much vitamin B12 in this as there is in a vitamin B12 supplement. So I don't have to take any vitamin B12 supplements when I drink this stuff before working out. Of course, it gives you all those tinglies and all the stuff like that you want from a pre-workout and such. Yeah. It is a pink powder, very colorful, tastes awesome. Honestly, almost tastes like fruit punch, if we're being honest. And then I also mix in this pump and grow stuff. It just gives me more vitamins and stuff. Help me get through my workout. It's got no flavor, so it just mixes in nicely. You can't really even tell it's there. There we go. And just like that, it's ready to go. Now, the workouts I'm doing today are, let me see here, are day 4 barbell bent over row, barbell bench press, lat pull down, incline dumbbell bench press, straight arm push down, and standing kettlebell flies with some cardio and ab work. Yeah. Starts with 7 of 15, then 12, 8, then 4, and then after the 4 you drop half the weight and go until you can't for every single one of those. So, I'm gonna go ahead and drink this pre-workout. And then get going to the gym and drive very slowly. Yeah. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like. If you're new here, please subscribe. And I will see you all tomorrow.